How to delete Messenger account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook Messenger account within the Messenger app on iPhone, Android, or Samsung phones. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Messenger app, then select Menu in the bottom menu. From there, select Settings. After that, scroll down in the settings all the way to the bottom and select See More in Account Center. Once in Account Center, scroll down again and select Accounts. And then all we want to do is select Account Ownership and Control. From there, all you need to do is select Deactivation or Deletion, and then select the Facebook account associated with the Messenger account you want to delete. Keep in mind, you will also be permanently deleting that Facebook account. Once you've done that, simply go down, select Delete Account, and then select Continue. Keep in mind, any Facebook pages or Facebook groups that you're sole admin of will also be deleted. You can avoid that by transferring ownership of it through adding an admin. Check the description, I'll have a tutorial going over how to do that. Go ahead and select Continue, then give them a reason for why you want to delete your Facebook Messenger account. They'll try to remedy that, but go ahead and select Continue. And then you have some options here, such as deactivating your account or downloading your information, but scroll to the bottom and select Continue. Finally, at the end here, you'll need to enter your Facebook account password, but after you do that, they may confirm one more time, and then after that, your Messenger account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.